Good morning, guys. Good morning. Wanna come and see me? I see you over there, Buster. There's Buster and Hercules. Bob. We got a Mickey in there. Shane. And a couple more if anybody wants them. Come here and say hi, guys. 4 weeks old today. Today's their day they're all going to get weighed. Buster over there was 7 pounds at 3 weeks. So we'll see how much weight he gained this week. Here comes your mommy. Say good morning to Grandma. Already starting to use the paper. Yuck. It's pretty good. Almost house trained at 4 weeks. Starting to fight. Always got to have one troublemaker in the bunch.